In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Monday.com board. This is really useful when you've already built a great workflow, project template, or tracking system, and you want to reuse it without rebuilding everything from scratch. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along in your own account. First, open Monday.com and go to the specific board you want to copy. Make sure you're actually inside that board, not just looking at your list of boards. You should see all of your groups, columns, and items laid out in front of you. If you have multiple boards with similar names, double-check you're on the correct one before continuing. Next, look at the very top of the board where the board's name appears. Right beside the name, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots, sometimes called the More Options or 3 dots menu. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu with additional actions for this board. From that drop-down menu, find and select the option that says Duplicate Board. This is the command that allows you to create a copy of the current board. Once you click it, a pop-up window will appear, asking you what kind of copy you'd like to create. Here, you'll choose the type of duplication that fits your needs. If you select Structure Only, Monday.com will copy the groups, columns, and overall settings, but none of the items on the board. This is perfect when you want a clean template without any past data. If you choose Structure and Items, the system will copy the layout plus all of the existing items, like tasks or records, but not the updates or conversations. This works well for recurring projects where you want to reuse the same tasks. Finally, Structure, Items, and Updates will copy everything, including all activity and discussions on each item, which is useful if you need a full historical clone of a board. You'll also see an option to keep subscribers. Turn this on if you want the same people who are on the original board to automatically be added to the new one. If you're creating a board for a different team or a new audience, you can leave this unchecked and add people later. To finish, type a clear, descriptive name for your new board so you can easily recognize it, then click the Duplicate button. After a moment, your copied board will appear, ready for you to customize and use.